In this video, I will show you step by step on how to ship from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to ship from China to whatever country of your choice using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our 1688 shopping app right here. So I'm going to open up my 1688 shopping app. Having opened up the app, the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I search for the item and I hide the item to cart. If you don't know how to search for an item and how to hide the item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made step-by-step video on how to add item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. Then all the item you have in your cart is going to be displayed right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select the item I'm going to purchase straight up. So I'm going to select on this one right here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to buy this, and I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. So I'm going to buy these few items. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. So I'm paying the sum of 50 point something yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to continue. I'm going to click on here to confirm the payment, then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So we have able to purchase from different four supplier at the amount of 50.90 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here. Then on getting to my profile, by the time we refresh, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see all the items that we just purchased right here. So this is how to ship from China using 1688 shopping app without using agent. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.